Okay, what's good? What's happening today? So Minecraft popped off. Oh my god, crazy moves here, right? From the original post, if you always make sure to take profits. 4.5x from the original post. Plateauing now. I'm not sure if it will continue. But it is staying up high. Is not getting completely sold off. So we'll see how that goes. But still 4x. Lemon World Cup token. I was at work today for this one, but oh my goodness, 14x from the launch. Okay, still going up. If it doesn't break this previous high, I would not recommend grabbing an entry. Okay, but at any of these points here, this point, this area, oh wait, it doesn't have the thing unlocked. This area, this area, this area, any of those areas could be levels, could be entry points. Why could they be entry points? Because price has reversed previously at that price. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's see what else is going on today. Let's check there. I just sat down. What's going on, right? Recycle bin. Loud. Always good swings on QAtar Inu. Okay. SPAC completely selling off. If this plateaus here and then catches some volume, it could be a good play. Okay. HBIT is a tax token. Check the sentiment. Okay. Nope. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Okay, let's see what else is going on. Do we have anything else in the recycle bin? In the trash. It's not exactly a trash. There's always something going on, right? Suck will pop off eventually. I'll never stop talking about it. Hello? 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 Okay, I'm never doing that again. Plateaued at this bottom here. Okay, if it does catch some volume and break that like 0.007 area, I wouldn't be surprised to see a 50% to 2x. Okay, let's see. Anything else going on today? Palm. This is a really good swing token for midterm trades. Okay, if it does hold this level, there's a couple things that can happen here. I haven't posted about this one yet because it could still do something like this, where it forms a descending triangle and then finally breaks through. Or it could form, we are seeing some sort of support being formed here, right? So we could see it push up, break through this previous swing high, pull back, and then send once more. Okay, so keep an eye on this one. Okay, keep an eye on everything. Okay, you never know when the volume is going to kick in on any token whatsoever. So always keep an eye, always keep a watch on everything. Keep your bookmarks. Time is always a good swing, good swinging token. The reason this popped off, right? If you were staring at this token, say here, okay, would you call that an entry? Well, I hope you would, right? Because we see higher lows, and it continuously is pressing and pushing towards that higher level. Okay, it's an ascending triangle, and what do we see? We see it break out, right? And this is a good entry too, right? We see the clear breakout of this formation and a pullback. Okay, to around that breakout price. Okay, that is a really great entry. You can take an entry there for 14% on a big apples play, by the way. Or you could have entered at this bottom here for a total of a 25%. Okay. Yeah, let's move right along. So volume today. Oh, no, I already have it open. Let's see. Look for volume, right? A lot of these tokens, I actually only realized this the other day, yesterday actually, but a lot of these tokens are being manipulated by whales, right? So be very careful with what you're buying. There are plays that can be profitable if they're being manipulated, but you really got to know what you're doing. You have to have a lot of experience for that. So personally, I like to look for real, natural, unmanipulated volume, okay? Or mostly unmanipulated. Even the stock market is manipulated, so you can't really get away from it. Square token is plateauing again, but we did see a plateau here. So be careful. Wait for this thing to curve upwards. Okay, wait for it to break that. It's very, very, very clear level at $42. Okay, if we break $42 and it starts to curve up there, I wouldn't be surprised to see a run up towards 65. All right. For a 48% to 50% gain. So that'd be really nice. Square token. Always good. Always good. It's nice to have those tokens that are always moving and are always going to give you entries, right? Here we are again. Okay, we see SafePal here. I'm gonna open this up on Dex Tools so we can see a little bit, have a better view of the price action. Okay. I mainly trade technical analysis. I do not do fundamental analysis. So personally, at least you might have a different strategy, but personally, I need tokens and charts that have real volume, right? So what we're going to do here is we're first, whenever looking for an entry, right? Say, okay, I think that actually looks good. Well, first, for at least my strategy, I always zoom out completely, and you'll find that we're actually at a really strong point area of resistance. Really, really, really strong area of resistance. Okay, it took us, let's see, date range. It took us an entire year to break through that lower area, that this support level here, and finally, after breaking through, right? It took us another half year to touch that line. So heavy, heavy, heavy support right or resistance right there. Okay, really risky. However, according to the Wyckoff theory, we do have low decreasing sell volume right there. You see this at the bottom here? Okay, sell volume is dropping. So this could be an entry, but be very, very careful. Okay, risk management. If you were going to take an entry here, this is just for an example. It applies to any token. Okay, set your stop loss to any previous swing low point, which would be right about here. Okay, and we also have confluence here because price has reversed at this price previously. 1, 2, 3, and reversed here once more. Okay, so even if you were watching this downtrend, this would be an entry. You could have this line here before any of this ever happened. Okay. So keep that in mind, all right? SafePal, one of those tokens which are always going to have volume, always good trades there. If you know what you're doing, of course. Minecraft, we already talked about. World of Ghost, right? What's going on here? This token absolutely popped off. Please don't follow the media, because the media was saying, oh my God, this token is going to go to the moon. It's never going to stop. Well, pay attention to the price action, right? Pay attention to what's actually going on here, okay? Because if you were listening to the media and you didn't sell when we had a clear, very clear break of trend right there, you would have been in a loss right now. And even right now, it does not look like, because it's pushing down here, right? Sorry about the piece. Oh, I might have to sneeze. Oh, am I gonna sneeze? Oh, excuse me. If you said bless you, you're the nicest person in the world. Okay, so it's consistently pushing down, right? Invert the chart. Use all of your tools, right? If we invert the chart, I would say, oh my goodness, what an entry, because we're consistently getting higher lows. Well, that's not the case. This is inverted. We're consistently getting lower highs, so that is not an entry, okay? We have a break of trend here. There's also more confluence telling us that this is currently downtrending and most likely will not stop anytime soon, okay? Use a strategy. I can't say it enough. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so Pancake Swap, Meta, what is this? This looks okay. 300, why does it look okay? $322,000 in liquidity with a 1-to-2 ratio of liquidity to market cap. Okay, currently downtrending, but it might be plateauing here. Let's check the volume. 86 transactions per hour, and it only did a 2x from launch. And why is that good? Because if a token does a 10x in the first 5 minutes of its launching and it has $300,000 in liquidity, most likely it's not going to stay there. Most likely. So let's check this on Dex Tools and get a better idea of the price action and volume, right? What is going on? Metamic Esports Games. What is this? All right, so just taking a look. If this plateaus, right? it does maybe something like this and then curves upwards and breaks this previous swing high, I will definitely be entering into this token. Let's take a deeper look, and just to make sure that it's zero tax, and obviously, you know, I'll probably do this during my own time, but take a look at the fundamentals and make sure that, you know, the sentiment is okay. Make sure that it's an actual project. Maybe it's a Chinese token, whatever. Oh, it smells pretty good. Yeah, 1-1. It's not renounced, but that's not too much of a problem. All liquidity is locked for a year. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. This could be a floor. I'm not sure what it is, but it definitely could be a floor. If I find out that the fundamentals and the community is still bullish, I'll definitely make a post about this. Okay, so that's all it takes, by the way. That is literally all it takes. You missed one token. Say you missed Lemon World Cup. Well, now there's this other one that you could take a look at that is currently at a entry with the same type of tokenomics as well, right? Or actually better tokenomics, okay? 10K, 37K, 24K, 215K Pi Network. We've already spoke about this one, but it seems to still be maintaining some sort of volume. Okay, take a look. I definitely want to take a look at the sentiment and the fundamentals of this token to see what's going on, because currently it is having some sort of stability. Okay, but it also is pressing down. You see that's a descending triangle there. So I wouldn't be surprised just off a technical analysis if this falls to the bottom. But, however, if it does do something like that, I'd be looking for an entry around this price range right there. Why? Right? Well, we reversed right here, we reversed right here, and we reversed right here. So most likely, if we touch that price again, especially during a high velocity sell-off, I would be expecting some sort of push towards the upside for, I don't know, maybe, oh my God, this has low liquidity, huh? 215K, that would be a 2x back to previous support. So this is nice. This is nice. Pay attention, right? Let's see if there's anything else going on. Oh, I'm on the last 24 hours. I wasn't even paying attention here. Square token, Santa game. No, I don't like any of these. Too low of liquidity. I'm not here to give you some sort of $10,000 liquidity 10x. Oh my goodness. Doge shit Inu is gonna go to $1. Look at its price. If it goes to $1, you'd have $1 million. No, that's not. It's not what this is. We use technical analysis and a specific strategy in order to take our entries. Okay. You do not want to be gambling in a market like this, especially in a market like this. Okay, 604,000 to 5.5 AMA. What is this? Maintaining 103 transactions on the hour. Is this the whole chart? Let's zoom all the way out here. What was that? My mic just cut out. Okay, all right. This is a little bit weird. I have no idea what this is, but it does have some sort of liquidity. Let's check if it's zero tax. Oh, token sniffer, please. Tell me what it is. Tell me what it is. Do the smell test. Okay. Zero tax. Verified contract source. Renounced. Locked on Unicrypt, which is really bullish. Really bullish, actually, from my Ethereum days. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. Let's go over to Dex Tools here and check out what's going on. If you're still here and you're watching this, I'm hoping you're picking up and bring have some sort of value to what's going on here, right? I hope you're learning something. And if you're not, tell me what you want to know, and I'll do some research on it, and I'll bring it out in the next video, okay? So it's hard to do technical analysis on this one. I do have to say, the only thing that I notice right now is that it is losing some sort of volume, it's losing volatility, and is pushing down. So I'm going to put this on my swing list, but I wouldn't say there's an entry coming up or that there is an entry right now. I have no idea. No idea what this token is, no idea what's going on. Let's move right along here, okay? 604, 240,000, and we're getting below the 100 transactions a hour limit. I do not like to trade anything a little bit less than that. This has horrible. Oh, yeah, that's a rug. That is definitely a rug. That is a honeypot right there, and 300 blockbusters. Is this a thing? BSC is weird, man. This is a really weird stuff going on here. I have no idea what this is. Too low of transactions. That's about all I got for today. Okay, take a look at the swing tokens such as Time, Injective Protocol as always, Square token, LCT of course, all of those. Okay, obviously pay attention. Where is the thing? Where is the thing? Pay attention to Lemon. Okay, pay attention to Palm. Mostly swing trades today. Pay attention to Minecraft also as well in case it curves again. If you made it this far, I'm so happy to have you here. So glad that you've watched it all the way through, and I really hope that you pick something up from this. Let me know if you disliked the video. Feel free to give it a dislike. Let me know if you like the video. Check out my Twitter, my Telegram. I post daily entries and exits everywhere all the time. Have a good one. I'm out of here.